Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech again. This is Kevin. We are continuing this series. We're in the Alameda County Fairgrounds in Pleasanton, California, and we're attending this Good Guys West Coast car show. So a while ago, I was looking at the different Chevrolet cars, and here I'm not really sure what brand is this, but this one looks like a Roadster, and perhaps produced in the 1930s or somewhere, maybe 1920s to 1940s. I'm not sure, but this one really looks nice. You will not see these cars that much, especially in different parts of the world. And I love this painting that they have from the back of the car on the trunk. But definitely, I think this one is a roadster or a racer. Perhaps if they have those NASCAR racing during the 1930s, these are one of those cars that you would normally see. No fenders, the wheels are out, and this one should be pretty lightweight. I wonder how fast this car can go. Then if you look inside, yeah, it's very nice. Then this one I think is another roadster. But you don't have the hood to cover the engine. Yeah, it looks like one of those race cars. Then you see those suspension, those axles, stainless, auto detailed, so it looks nicer. Yeah, pinstripe from at the back of the car. And it seems like they put the gasoline at that side of the car. And these are really big fenders. And then we have another Chevy truck here. That's a quite big air filter there on top. But this one is I like the color of this one. Really beautiful. Chevrolet. Then you can see the steering wheel. If the windows are down, then it's better. We can have a better peek. And then look at this one. You got a bed of the truck. It's really nice. It's made of wood, so it looks nicer. Well polished. I really like the color of this one. Yeah, someone is revving up their car. Then we have I think a convertible here. Seems like also in the pre-war models, pre-World War II. Yeah, it looks nice. But they put some auto detailing. Some of the parts I think are not original. Yeah, look at that. You have two air filters there. Yeah, it looks nice. If the engines are really clean and you can really pick through. But this one is a Jeepster. Looks like a military Jeep. Yeah. So I'll pause my video here. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please click like. And then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. We have so many cars to cover here, so please do stick around. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.